And yes, guys, I finally own the Uncle Sam World Finals Jester. Look at this, guys. That is so beautiful. I hid this one. Sometimes I hide trucks that I want, and if they're there, that's how I hid the chase. What they found. They found it, so I don't know how. They didn't find this one, which is good. I got to mention that rock right here. Monster Jam, then World Finals. Jester. Same back, of course. Collect them all. Real Trucks Collection Monster Jam. We know that. The little barcode. Pretty cool. I love the new packaging design. Let's go ahead and crack this baby open and see what it looks like without the box. That's pretty nice. That the background is cool. Ooh, here it is, guys. In hand review. Look at this Jester, guys. BKT tires, red rims and beadlocks, silver roll cage, black chassis. There's the Uncle Sam Jester, the American flag in the back with the beard. He has a beard right there. Star logo, headlight printing, go printing. That is so nice. Look at this Monster Jam. This is so beautiful. I love this one. Tomfoolery Motorsports, of course, in the back. Oh, it says something else right there. Tomfoolery Motorsports, something, and then the stars on the roof. Yeah, I'm happy I have this Jester in my collection. That's all I got today, guys. Getting more soon. Like, subscribe, comment. Sure has more unboxings coming soon. Peace out. Hope you all enjoyed.